Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you how to send money using Wise 2026. First, open the Wise app on your device and log in your account. After that, tap on the Send option below your account balance. You will see two options. You can either search the recipient by name, Wise tag, email, or phone number, or tap Add a recipient if you can't find them. Next, select the currency you want to send, such as Euro. Then choose whether to search using Wise ID or enter bank details. Select Bank Details. After that, select who you are sending to, yourself, someone else, or a business organization. Choose someone else. Now enter the recipient's details. Select whether the account is inside or outside Europe, then enter their name and IBAN, and tap Confirm. Next, enter the amount you want to send, for example €1. After that, choose your payment method. Options include Wise Balance, debit card, credit card, bank transfer, Ideal, SoFort, Trustly, or Apple Pay. Select your method and tap Continue. Finally, review everything and tap Confirm and Send. And that's how you send money using Wise. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.